Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. Today we're trying to find the volume of this shape, which is, I guess you'd describe it as a dual-ended cone. The measurements are overall 10 meters end to end. Each of the constituent parts, which you can see broken up here, have a radius of 2.6 meters. And the length of the larger part of this structure is 7.1. Now what that means is that this cone here is 7.1 meters long, and this cone here is 2.9, which makes up to the 10 meters. Now we have everything that we need to find the total volume of this shape. And what I always find it a good idea to do is to break these composite shapes up into their constituent parts. And if we do that, I'll draw it like this. We've got the smaller cone, which is 2.9 meters tall, and we've got the larger cone, I'll draw here, which is 7.1 meters tall, and the radius of both of them is 2.6, so we'll just put that in there, 2.6, and well, it's not really in the center, but there, 2.6. Now we have everything that we need to find out the volume. So let's go to the first one. What it's going to be is it's going to be 1/3 pi r squared, which is the area of the base, times the height. And that's going to be the case for both of these. So 1/3 pi times 2.6 squared times 2.9. We're going to get the calculator out for that. And over here we have 1/3 pi times 2.6 squared, same as this one, times 7.1. Okay, calculator time. So I'll just do this off screen. So pi times 2.6 squared times 2.9, which gives me a volume of 61.59 cubic meters. Now that's the other important point. A measurement of volume is in cubic units. These are meters. So pi times 2.6 squared times 2.9. The other thing I've got to remember to do is to multiply it by 1/3 or divide by 3. So if I divide by 3, I get a total of 20.53 meters cubed. Okay, now that's a very important thing that you shouldn't forget, and I'm notorious for doing it. I'm notorious for forgetting to do that. Okay, over here we have pi times 2.6 squared times 7.1 and that, just wait a moment, I think I miskeyed there. That looks better. That gives me 150.78 meters cubed, which I then divide by 3, or multiply by 1/3. And I get 50.26 meters cubed. Okay, so we have one more thing to do, which is to add these two together. So 20.53 plus 50.26 gives me 70.79 meters cubed, or cubic meters. And that is how you do this, just bit by bit. And one last thing, do remember to divide through by 3 or multiply by a third. As I say, well, as you've seen, it can be easy to forget. Thanks very much for watching. I hope this was useful. See you next time. Bye.